At number 1, we have the Netvue Birdfy Lite Smart Bird Feeder. Built with a durable, weatherproof body, it stands up to the elements, keeping birdseed safe and dry. Its 1080p HD camera with a 155-degree wide angle captures every feathery visitor in crisp detail. The user-friendly Birdfy app lets you watch live, get alerts, and even identify birds with a subscription. With a large 50-ounce capacity and simple top-fill design, keeping your feathered friends fed is effortless. Perfect balance of price, performance, and reliability. The Netvue Birdfy Lite is the smart choice for any bird lover.
At number 2, we have the KiwiCo Kiwi Bird Feeder 2. This feeder stands out with its premium design and incredible 4K camera, capturing stunning 8MP photos of your feathered friends. It features a removable 1.5L dual hopper, allowing for easy refilling without removing the entire feeder. Its upgraded built-in solar roof ensures consistent charging, so you never miss a moment, even on cloudy days. Built with thick, weather-resistant IP65 plastic, this feeder is designed to last through any storm. The companion app is intuitive and works great without a subscription. An optional plan unlocks even more features. KiwiCo Kiwi Bird Feeder 2 is the ideal choice for users who want top-tier performance and are willing to invest a bit more.
At number 3, we have the Camojojo Hibird Pro Smart Bird Feeder. This is a versatile smart feeder that supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, a rare and very useful feature in this category. It comes with built-in solar panels, ensuring continuous operation without the hassle of frequent charging. The feeder offers stunning 4K Ultra HD video and even includes a 128GB SD card for local storage. Its sturdy IP66 rated body makes it perfect for harsh outdoor conditions come rain or shine. While the AI Bird ID isn't perfect, it makes up for it with adjustable video length, slow motion, and a built-in AI assistant for bird queries. Large 1.5L seat capacity is super convenient, though keep in mind the unit is heavy and needs a stable mount.
At number 4, we have the Birdbuddy Pro Smart Solar Hummingbird Feeder. Powered by the sun, this feeder is always ready to capture the action without missing a beat. Its 2K HD camera and 5mm photo capture every stunning detail of your feathered visitors. The AI-powered app identifies the species and sends you awesome bird postcards. It's like having a personal bird watcher. And when it's time for a refill, the process is designed to be super simple and quick. Turn your garden into a hummingbird paradise. The Birdbuddy Pro makes birdwatching smarter and more fun than ever.
At number 5, we have the Netvue Birdfy Nest Polygon Smart Birdhouse. This award-winning design hides a powerful 1080p camera, letting you monitor the entire nesting process from hatching to fledging in crystal clear detail. With a built-in solar panel for continuous charging, it's made for reliable use every season, all year round. Seamlessly integrate with the Birdfy app to create shareable bird stories and automatically recognize over 6,000 plus bird species. It's the perfect gift for the bird enthusiast or nature lover in your life. Join over 1 million happy users worldwide. Download the Birdfy app today and start your smart birdwatching journey.